My people have fun now. How on a day? I'll go to go grand rising. I hope on sleep well. It's another Saturday and another important weekend. Tina for me ezagu. Mgbe ejiri ego adị m mma o. I bear you on Monday. I see you. This Saturday when person say, I forget to go buy up car. This Saturday when person say, make you just rest. No, she don't go let us rest. They see una they see I say, when the right time comes, the truth will reveal itself. In one of our past broadcasts, Ala Igbo was on a TikTok live stream. Our brother Udele said something about this Gwamnishu's James Bond. And then well, Spencer, as you dey curse yourself, your leader in prison dey long, so he concern you. Now the can shebi na him brother wan go represent her for court. Say that is so go tell you. He go long. So tey na Emmanuel can carry that rope down here. See, no use Amadi or her play. It go make you go disorganized. You no go even know what you did. My people, please thumbs up the video and share with friends and family. Of course, you expect to bingo. Whenever you are confused on any issue, check where the bingos are supporting. Go the opposite direction, you'll be just fine. Anything they are supporting, go the opposite direction, you will be just fine. It's just a matter of time. Everything will reveal itself. Your support must fail. They've never been known for success. At least their leader on Sokoto. It's the year of great exposition. So many things are coming together. So many pieces on the chessboard. Are you understanding? My people from Edo State, when I told you people to guide your forest, know what's going on. Edo State is not such a weak state that somebody will come from outside. For we have. Any place you see an outsider, okay, let me give you, for example, now. You remember those days, Okada area, Ekiadolo, they used to have an armed robbery there. Or check who they are targeting, those luxurious buses. These are people going to market from Aba, from Onitsha, from Enugu. Their people know exactly where to go wait for them. And in order to do that, they had to create a network of people from that side. If you notice, that time there were some boys in your place that started making money. Many of them are in Europe now. When traveling was like a huge thing, many of them, you saw them went to Europe straight. No corner, no, like they went to Europe as big boys. Some went to, like the Igbo guys, many of them later went to South Africa. That thing was only able to happen because now, count these neighborhoods. You see Odapu, you see Wolewo. All the people, like all the bad boys you used to know at Uborimi. You see that badge at Niger. Niger bad. You see also Wijo, that Niger street after Ugofum, you go down before you start getting into main market. That market, I think is Oye market, where all these Atani people bring their foods to sell on Oye days. Fishermen are there. You see even northerners frying yam and eggs. Then fish. They sell yams there. You see the guys from that area. Then you count the Okbuku. And when I say Okbuku, you know pass Ederodo, more BK, Selwanga Lane, Umenweke side. Then you see Woked, down Woked, the cooperative. All those Army boys now that later took Lake. That lake side. Then some at paper, some that time when you Obusi is now nice now. Obusi Amagomana. That time you see them. When you get to Obit Plaza those days, you see some guys, you go Akora area. Then Utumoye, Green Lake. Then there is another group again that are coming from Isu LGA, Isu Mazo Maka, Ekwe. Some part of Amandoba, not everywhere in Amandoba. Some part of Amandoba. You see that all those operations were successful because there are contacts they have there. So whatever criminality is going on anywhere in Edo State now, I'm telling you, there are people in your place working with all these people that are the first to always share this information. Hey, well, I don't go understand. But I'm sure eyes are beginning to open. I'm sure eyes are beginning to open. VDM village. In community. Again, body. In community. As them waiting carry their traditional ruler, go inside, and all of a sudden the man come out. People will not get mouth, still they prison. Let me block this shoes. Let me block another Utobo. Ask him whether this thing I said is a lie or true. If he doesn't know, let him ask. I will tell him the day it happened. It was before he made that visit to Ise River. Yes. So this Harrison Gwamnishu own. Waiting go make people they talk saying a setup. Waiting be set up. You know waiting be set up. You know waiting Nigerians. You see that case of that man where they said in the transfer go Abuja wait by. Now many of our head go come they go back. They check all those things. Ben saying don't they tell on us since 1 year. I even write Ben. Say if you get any information where you know one review, say if you still send them my side because I need that. You see all these shout of Fulani herdsmen, this and that. This is Southeast was the testing ground. The Southeast was the testing ground. I'm telling you what our people lived. Now, Harrison, being that he's on social media, he added that social media spice to his own. When I see this one, I say Nigerians, sky, police, suspects where una go they investigate. Now they leave, they use camera, they scam people. Shebi the story don't they come out now? This case should be handled by the office of the prosecutor general. That case pass waiting a do command go handle. they should forward that case to Abuja. They should forward that case to Abuja. That thing, if you leave that case in Benin, they will buy that case there. Because so many people are involved. So many things will be revealed. Harrison is a chronic and unrepentant criminal. He loves soft life. He can't hold the information within his grasp without offering it for anything. So, if they allow the bad people to bring him out and many things will be covered, it will be bad. The Edo State governor should put his SA on security on this case. Let them send it to Abuja. If police no go to let they carry go DSS, because this is national security. Of course, I know police can handle this once they keep eyes on him and keep eyes on the fight. Because if prosecutor go court to go change his mind, or God, nothing will happen. And some people are telling you bellable case, what bellable case? Kidnapping. You didn't see the new law they passed? Huh? Kida. Where? Kid and napping. Now they talk with you. No, you should now go to all those videos. Go watch Parana's videos. Listen to what Parana was saying. Do you people remember one day when we were doing that boy's case? That guy we helped that the priest one, that boy, the priest one knock. Patrick Ikechukwuilo. How Harrison take enter the case, use the boy, raise money, finish. You know, even go pursue case against the priest. I sure say they go don't pay him off. That one no take show and say this guy na evil. Nigerians, everybody na activist. Everybody na activist for Nigeria. Because your brain, they don't program and say get savior where they can't save you. Now why all these people go they come out and go they follow and go they pursue? Have you forgotten that case? A boy that had been in prison for that at that time 6 years plus. You used him to raise money. You did not give the family a dime. Now you want go they negotiate ransom for now. Eh? 17 million you will see. Damn. Okulo and a pure scam now. Who no? That is why all of them are supporting each other. That is why they all support each other. Any place you see anybody with this group of people, I'm telling you, it is a nest of evil people. Nothing is ever what they say it is. When you hear Nigeria is scam, this is what they mean, because the country is not a scam. The people inside it are the scammers. Human life means nothing to them. To give sense of that insecurity. Imagine how many of you they have frightened. Imagine how many people they have frightened already with all these things. Let me block this also. Everybody, son, welcome. Imagine what these people are doing. Somebody in his circle is now telling you, you are still saying they are setting up. Why would they set him up? Eh? Like, Why is it that when you people hear something, you don't go verify the veracity of that information? You switch straight to intent. Oh, why is he saying it? No. That thing he's saying, is it true or false? You go, oh, he's saying it because. He's saying it because. Oh, they are jealous. Okay. Both of them are running the same give me, I give them business. So, VDM and Harrison, who get upper hand for that industry? Between VDM and Harrison, who get upper hand on the give me, I give them industrial complex? They negotiate with it. Like how? Do you know how professional negotiators begin, how it goes? Somebody said, Harrison didn't deny it. Why are people saying they said? That is the problem. They are being more Catholic than the Pope. You should be shocked that many of these so-called kidnappings are staged. It serves a political purpose. It serves an economic purpose too. You are watching a movie. That is how evil the heart of man is. When you hear the days are evil, no, the days are just normal things. It is the activities that take place in those days. What system did we create that only profits fraudsters? What? You are hearing a direct testimony from the person. Imagine saying you didn't remove any money, is complete, and you were telling those people that you are heading to Uye. How about if those people went to that Uye and they buy them when you know you aren't going there? Do you know that we are just saying it because it has passed? Meanwhile, I'm not sure they've released the man yet. Human life is what you are toiling with. You are toiling with a human life. Money where they give you, make you give kidnapper, you go the common money inside. Unto say you want first collect your percentage. No surprise saying a percentage problem be this so. Somebody say, how was Chibok staged? How? How was Chibok staged? Jonathan shot himself in the foot when he was towing that line. Of course, Abubakar Sadiq Usman. Give me, you go come up percentage. Maybe now, you don't go come out. This one, I know they talk, say, you don't also, I they tell you possibilities. Pikin wey don't fuck him mama already, you no get wetin you no go do. Maybe the percentage now, you don't go collect wetin pass wetin you supposed to. I don't know. But why you go comot money for kidnapper money? You dey joke with people life? You are not even concerned about the welfare of the person. Make I play on some of this thing where Ben release. I want more now. Listen. I don't know if I'm getting them in the right sequence, but we have to take it as they arrive.
God, this is what the police told me. Harrison is a kidnapper. All
all those tracking you are seeing, there was no tracking. It was Harrison boys that have these people. Harrison boys kidnapped these two couple. And Harrison will post it, generate a lot of interest, and Harrison will make a contact. This is Nigerian hero. I have been shouting for 1 year on this platform. 1 year I've been shouting. I want you to listen. Please pay attention.
And the two backwards bag were 5 million. And some I believe the 50K would have been able to cover. So we arranged it. The Ebola box, only Ebola box, held 10 million. And the two backwards bag were 5 million.
Can you guys hear it? Oh, this is direct. The man that counted the money is the one talking to me now. The man that know Harrison, the man that stay in the room, the family, the brother of this couple.
So when I was arranging the money in the stuff to them, he brought a mini backing school bag.
Who brought the bag?
Yes.
Harrison brought the bag.
Yes. I now took the 10 million from the 10 million in the Ebola box. I now carried 8 million and loaded because that was what could enter the bag, the backing bag. So we bought another, all those big sack bags that they use in carrying load that are very strong.
Yes. That Ghana must go.
Yes, the bag we put the other items they asked for, the milk and all the other things. That's why we put them. So the other two backwards bag with other million, I now put the two backwards bag inside that other big bag. The 2 million extra that were remaining from that cola box, I now added them inside the big bag because I felt okay. They should not be carrying many bags around like that since they are just two. So it was just a backing bag and that big Ghana must go, that thick one that does not tear easily. So that's what they now today.
This is a direct testimony. Make una listen. This is not my making. I dare on my own. I no investigate anything. I they reach me out. Say, Mr. Ben, you be the shout. Nigeria don't happen to us.
When we arranged, we use rubber band to wrap them, tie them in 500,000. That guy that joined us to arrange it, when they went there, he said it was about that the money was not scattered inside the bag. So that was what just first broke his heart that hey, they were tampered with this money.
But my question is this: did you guys take your eyes away from the money, from the movement? You hand over the money to that people, the people that are going to receive them. He was in Harrison hotel room.
I didn't leave. Yes, I didn't leave.
He was in Harrison hotel room. Not third party. Then we count the money. He arranged the money. Sitting down with Harrison. 20 million. State in Edo State.
Edo State, yes, in Audi. So after about maybe 15 minutes.
Do you know the name of the hotel? Do you know the name of the hotel?
Yes, Hattie Hotel.
What did you call it? Hattie Hotel, okay. And Harrison booked a room there.
The one that had the room, because when I asked him to taking the money to the drop-off point, said no, that is free. I'm like, okay, at least we can pay for the accommodation and feed him. And he was around. The other of my brother was not like, maybe when they finish, you people were able to buy, we can just still give them as goodwill.
You people appreciate him, yes.
Yes. So we booked the hotel and we paid for the food. He said he was going to
make una share. See, if you no like the truth, lie will catch up with you. Make una share this life, share am. See, there's no permanent love. No matter how much you love Harrison, open your mind. Open your mind. Just open your mind.
I went in his own room. That was where I arranged the bag. So I was still there. I didn't leave.
So he can see the money. Did he follow count the money with you?
He was there. He saw when we unboxed everything and we showed him how we arranged it. Okay. And we counted as we put it in the bag in 500,000. So he saw it. It's not like we're trying to do some foul play. It's our people that are there. We want them back. So I don't think.
So the man say, this is our people. So we are, a kidnapper cannot ask for 50,000 and we'll say he cannot ask for 20 million and we'll go and fake 15 million for them while our people is with them. So they counted the 20 million in front of Harrison.
There's any list on first one.
Exactly.
So, when finished, I was just sitting there. I was not like, he wants to go and eat. He has to go downstairs. I'm like, okay. I was still there. He now said his devices are in the room and all that. There was nothing he can leave me.
So the man wanted to stay in the room. Harrison said, let's go downstairs. The devices are in the room, so I don't think I can leave my devices with you in the room. So Harrison locked the door. The money inside, Harrison and the guy went downstairs to the hotel. There's a CCTV camera.
I said, okay, both of us came out together and he locked the door with the key and we both went downstairs.
Harrison then locked the door with the key.
He locked the door, standing there, yes, with the key to the room.
Okay.
The door and went downstairs to go and eat. The food he won't eat was the one that paid. That was in the second of
the food Harrison ate, they were the one that paid. The hotel, they were the one that paid.
Hotel 3 rooms for them that came. In the other room, we were waiting for the location for drop off. So about 45 minutes and now.
So when they went downstairs, when Harrison said come out so that I can lock the door with the equipment with the money inside, the guy then went into the other room because they have 3 rooms. Because the family took one, Harrison took one, Harrison's staff took one. But he now went to the other room to wait for Harrison to finish eating and come up.
I went downstairs and I started with them. So he was sleeping downstairs.
After some time, the guy said he went downstairs and sat with Harrison. Harrison was eating downstairs.
The key to one of his boys.
That is exactly what he does.
I removed from the money. It was when they want to bring the bag, they removed from that. I'm not certain which is which now, but that's one of the 2 scenarios I think happened. But when we now brought the bag down, we did not count the money. Like to reconfirm that this is what we are taking there.
So because you already believe the money is counted already, there was no need of suspecting it.
So we left that. So when those people now got the surprise that this money does not look like the money we arranged into those bags. The people now said they released the star and they said they will count it. They must make sure it's complete, so they did not release those bags. So when all the tempers now came as at around 9 p.m. yesterday, when they came back, it was only one person that they released. Everybody was now angry. The icing was not in the hotel room. Harrison,
who said he was going to help them to release, after they released the pair, Harrison discharged to another place. As he no can explain the reason why the 2 persons were not released. Supposed to be the negotiator, the prizer, the releaser. Una know they learn. We go learn. Where was Harrison? Where was Harrison that time?
The person that went with the cash, Harrison followed. He was following from a distance.
Okay.
We trained them after we receive our people. He will not go in. I don't know how he said that, but he was following from a distance. I think that was what happened. So, but and when they were coming back, they saw him and they were not like, okay, there's only one person they released, so let's go back to the hotel. He did not come to the hotel immediately. He drove.
Person life, I'm coming. Don't worry. You see they come. Don't worry. Video is there. Recording is there. I just responded to a message. Let's get back to it now. Hear this one. The first phone call they made to Harrison, immediately they find out that he has taken 5.4 million from the money. This is the first phone call they made to him. Listen. I want you to listen.
Hello? They release only the woman now, they don't release the man.
The other boy now, say the money where they carry go give those people, say they got the money, say the money don't complete, that make they don't release them.
They complete. You know, I guess they don't release that guy.
They say they scatter the money, say the money not complete. Harrison say it complete. Harrison used his own mouth to say the money complete. And he, you know, say I tell you, say they not go release that guy. Just they listen. Okay.
I complete. Will you come with you?
They ask him where you did now. He's saying they come with, but they not deal with. They're supposed to be returning to Hattie Hotel. Why Harrison they divert to we? The reason why he said we they come we, he made a mistake because now we, he and the Kina supposed to go meet. Just they listen. We are the Hattie. The guy calls us we or Hattie. Listen.
We please, I just want to collect another extra money. I just don't know who is that guy. Thank you before.
Harrison repeat again, the money complete. They just want to collect another money. I know say they don't go release the guy. How many times Harrison repeat it complete? They will get the video of Harrison giving back the money. What Harrison did here is everything that I've been talking about. I just received a message from current staff of Harrison. I mean current staff of Harrison. The message arrived on my TikTok page. So when I woke up this morning, I decided to look at it. And it was interesting. And I decided to chat to the guy. And the guy replied me. And he said he wanted to talk to me about something, about Harrison. And I said, okay, what do you want to say? He said, before he said he need my WhatsApp number. I said, okay. He said, because he has some video to send to me. And I said, okay, send me the video. I sent him my WhatsApp number. And then he continued talking to me. He sent me evidence that not just that he knew Harrison, they hang out together like they are together. He works for Harrison. I said, how did he start working for Harrison? This person said, when they saw what Harrison was doing, they applied to volunteer. But before you know, he started to study Harrison. That Harrison is very dangerous. When he knows you have your own mind, they will let you go. He said he played along. He got money. Now he began to talk. Let me tell you, because I have to, immediately he started talking, I have to record it down. I'm not going to put his voice for his own safety because he's still a current staff of Harrison. He said, Mr. Ben, all this kidnapping rescue you see us doing, him and Harrison, he said, you see us doing, that is the word he used. He said, Harrison have hand in them. I said, I know, but I didn't want to push it. I wanted to hear what you have to tell me. But I already know, I've been saying these things. He said, that is the reason he's reaching out to me. Because he said he saw how fearless I am. Read it again. He said, Harrison have hand in them. Not that he helps, not that he intervenes, but that he has hand in them. He said, now our operation. I said, what do you mean? To rescue the people? No. The man said, Harrison and his team that involve me are involved in kidnapping. He said, all the rescue you are seeing is arranged. This is how he put it. He said, we kidnap people, we kidnap someone, film the victim, collect the detail of the families, members of the victim, then push the video out to them. He said, do we kidnap someone because I have to rewrite it. He said, we kidnap someone, film the victim crying in the bush, push the video online, and the whole of Nigeria started shouting, Fulani henchmen, activist, savior, helper, they begin to shout. He said that then they will wait. When public sympathy rises, they quietly reach out to the family and said, contact Harrison. So one of them will reach out to the family and say, contact Harrison. The family panic. They will quickly reach out to Harrison because the video of their loved one that is on Harrison's page have the highest view and they can see the comment section. Well done, Harrison, please help the family. Harrison, you are the best. So automatically, they've already conditioned the family to reach out to Harrison. Will start displaying all this stupid drone that is rescuing. So you think that Harrison has the power to bring your family back. The family panic and they reach him. Harrison will show sympathy, pretend to be shaking and pretend to be tracking. He will ask for information from the family and he will say he's going to start tracking it now. He will keep the family close to the ear. Then suddenly he tell them that he can help them to get the victim out and he will give them the prize. In most cases, the kidnapper, his team in the bush will also make a video with the victim and they will push the video out to the public. Like the one you saw the other time, he said they only need 50 million in that video. They always put a price. When the family begin to panic, they reach out to Harrison, we show sympathy, and they pay. And suddenly, he said, we'll go let the person go. Harrison go come arrange people, came inside the bush, and Harrison said he's rescuing. He'll be videoing and camera, but the you not surprised that they have never catch any kidnapper? And I said, but they catch somebody. What about those ones they killed that time? I have it on the voice. I have the voice notes. I recorded it. You know I record. I said, what about those ones that Harrison showed that kidnapper neutralized? He said, Mr. Ben, forget it. He said, those ones you see, we know how we get those bodies. He said, that is an entirely different incident somewhere. Harrison just package and go there and say kidnapper has been neutralized and make a video. Say, go watch the video again and see at no point did you see that Harrison was the one saying that he was the one that went into the bush. Harrison just used that as a picture up. And I went to look at the video. And truly, those victims are different. He said Harrison walked with police. This is Harrison staff talking. Then he said something profound. Bros, promise me you will not reveal my name, you will not reveal my phone number, and you will not reveal this, who I am. They can recognize my voice. Please do not reveal who I am. You will put me at a, in short, they will kill me immediately. That's what the guy said. You see, when the family panic, Harrison will show them empathy, pretend to be shaking, pretend to be tracking, then they pay. Suddenly the victim is released. Not by police, not after any professional operation, but conveniently after Harrison received the money and the drop off, the victim get released. But you never see the kidnapper being arrested or eliminated in all of those operations. Then this guy sent me a video, this video, and he told me I was there when we make this video. So if you analyze the Edo,
Shebi don't see her. I don't see her, I don't hear her. So this one is coming from the person working for him. Those of you that are insulting a VDM, I will say VDM is not even doing anything in this case, not even pushing it. Yes, he's not pushing hard enough. This is a kidnapping case. And so many things were mentioned there. So those police people that are with him, what did they know about this operation? You know, like, are they finding out at the same time the rest of us are finding out on this kidnap issue? Or were they aware from day one? What is going on? And this is supposed to be your activism. I told you, any activism that doesn't eventually and ultimately lead to saving of lives is not activism, it's a fraud. So the story is still developing. We are still going to hear from people. We are still going to hear, at least President Z04 is not lying. President Z04 is not lying. All those ones who will still go check out their videos and what they are saying. Where is Odogwu-Ata? Odogwu-Ata, you here? If I came and said, do you remember what Odogwu-Ata said that the other day on our TikTok live? When one bingo came up and was shouting, Harrison, this, that, that he is the only one, and Odogwu-Ata was telling him, all the places you are mentioning, there are no Fulani herdsmen there. What do Dominic do? Okay? Who block you? Okay, the Harrison. He should block you now. I forgot when that boy, that priest wanted to knock. That Semo priest in Enugu, Patrick Ikochukwu. Are you understanding? Somebody says a frame up. Framing who up? They framed him up when he told somebody on the phone, they recorded call, you heard his voice, that the money is complete. And the same person went and paid back the money. Are you kidding me? He is incapable of being good. I've told you people this thing before. There are humans today who are incapable of being good. Even when they try, they can't. Even when they try, they can't. And it's revealing of some people's character that you are seeing the truth before your eyes and you're still arguing what? Like, what excuse would you give? Check all the people he surrounds himself with. All of them criminals. Oh, criminals. He will have to explain how they got those Fulani bodies. They could have gone and buy innocent people. Place guns on them. Where did they get the guns from? Who rented them the guns? These are questions that people want to gloss over. They want to gloss over these questions and, go straight to, oh, they hate him, they frame him. Frame who up? Do you really need to frame such a crook up? What can you cook up that is worse than what he did? What? 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 Tell me exactly what you need to add to this. His boy is telling you, Nigerians. Anyway, I'm happy we are seeing the truth every day. Thank you so much, my wonderful people. I will be live on TikTok soon. Maybe in the next hour. I'll be live on TikTok. I love you all. Stay blessed.